Hey guys, what's up everyone? In this video I'm going to show you on how you can snap a passport photo for your DV lottery application on your iPhone or iPad, and I'm going to walk you through on how to crop the photo that you snapped on your device to make the DV lottery photo requirement. And if you are using Android too, don't worry, at the end of this video I'm going to show you which app that you need to download in order to crop your DV lottery photo. So just follow my guides and make sure you watch the complete video. Don't skip a bit. This is the third video now I'm posting about explaining the DV lottery photo issues like editing it, cropping and resizing. The reason why I decided to do this video is because one of my subscribers asked me 2 days ago in a comment. This is what he said, like, thanks so much for this video. I wish to ask if you can use the DV lottery photo requirement website to crop photo, or it only check. Anyway, it's only for check. Please make a video on how to adjust or crop photo already in white background using the US website. So this is the reason why I decided to do this video. So all I want to say is that, guys, each and every comment or like of you matters so much to me. So feel free to drop a comment or ask a question. I promise to reply you. So before wasting any time, let's jump into our video. Just go to your app store and search for this app, passport photo. And ID maker. This is how you need to search for the app. All right, so since I have downloaded the app in my phone, all I need to do is to open this app like this. All right, so as you see, when you open the app, you will see a lot of options. This app is so amazing. All right, but whenever you, like for DV lottery, I recommend you choose this green card. Okay, forget about this diversity visa lottery. I have tried, but just choose this one. Okay, green card. Just tap on it. Then when you tap on it, you're gonna see this interface. All right, as you see, ID type JPEG, and just make sure your photo to be in JPEG. As you see, the size is 600 by 600. All right, so just tap on select from gallery. So these are photos that I have, like I have used these photos. So let me just try to delete them. Delete. So let me just go to edit photo and tap on select more photos. All right, let me go and choose any photo like this one. This is one of my friends. Okay, this is how it happens when you choose a photo. You see that? So I need to, you can arrange it. Just make sure the photo to be like, just makes it fit exactly, just like this. Then you tap on photo editor, just like this. All right, so don't forget, guys, to tap on done. Don't touch anything, just tap on done at the top right there, just like this. All right, and as you see, guys, there's a paid version, but I'm using the free version. Just make sure you tap on the photo itself, which is 600 by 600, just like this. All right, guys, and you tap on save. You see, success photo saved to photo gallery. This is it. So now let us go and check. As you see, this is the photo. Let me just tap on the details of the photo. As you see, guys, the photo is 600 by 600, 50 kilobytes, right? This is the original photo that we cropped. So this is how to do it. Now I have 3 photos. All of them is 600 by 600, and this one again 600 by 600, and this one again 600 by 600. To check if these photos they meet the requirement exactly, all you need to do is to go to Chrome and go and type DV lottery photo requirement here like this. You tap on it. All right, then you scroll down and look for photo tool, just like this, guys. Then you tap on start photo tool. Okay, then you tap on choose photo. Then you tap on photo library. Then you choose any of these 3 photos. Okay, let me just tap on this lady here and continue choose. As you see, guys, your photo does not need cropping. Photo dimension are 600 by 600. This is simply how to do it. As you see, guys, this photo, it has a shadow behind it, right? So what I need to do to remove this shadow, I need to tap on here, then search for this website, remove.bg. All right, to remove this shadow here, photo library. You see that? So this is the photo, guys. Yeah, this is the photo. I have changed it to background. Yeah, before I end this video, guys, if you are using Android, just go to a Play Store and make sure you download this app. All right, this app is so straightforward, and if you have any question about this app, just feel free to let me know. But this app is for those who have Android. This is for Android users. Okay, so DV2024 is an amazing app. I have used it before, so you can also try it. So this is all about the tutorial, guys. If you found this video useful, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up so that YouTube can share it with other people. See you on my next video. Peace.